We are the new homeowners of a neo-Breton styled house. My name is Christina, and I'm also creative director of my own interior design firm. We decided to do a video series documenting the renovation process of our French property. God, this has been such a wild dream to move to France. Bienvenue chez nous, and welcome to our home. Hi guys, and welcome to part 2 of our home tour. Excited to show you the rest and even upstairs. Anyways, yeah, so no further ado, let's start the tour. Okay, allons-y. So here we are. This is the exterior. This is the front of the house. So those two French doors go into the living room. That's obviously the front door. That is going to be my husband's office right there, and currently the kids are staying there. This is the nice exterior stairs that are what we have right now, and we have to create the interior stairs. So I'll show you that. My dog is being ridiculous right now. So yeah, oh my God, he just jumped it. Okay, we gotta fix that. All right. Anyways, let's go in. Okay, so here is the foyer entrée. I'm using it as closets right now because obviously we can't live upstairs right now. But stairs, already cut it. Ready? We're about to do it. This is where the stairs are gonna go. This wall all the way to here is gonna be pushed back. So excited. We're gonna get more space in the foyer, but also I'm gonna put it's gonna be a quarter turn. So if it's like half up and then all the way going to the second floor. So I wanna do something custom, like a little couple of round stairs like this, if you can see that. Anyways, and then that will be now coming into the living room. Yeah. Because check this out. So you're gonna have the stairs come up like this, and I still have one door at least that I come into my living room. And so I still will keep this wall, and I will have a custom cabinetry there for coats. All right, living room. The grand piece, these freaking beams, love them. This is really the warmth of the room that was going into the kitchen because it's just the light coming in, the warmth of it. Obviously the beams being that color really warms it up. The floors were really warming it up. So we're gonna change this up a little bit. But see, now that wall will actually, I even did that here. Okay, so where the end of that frame is, that's where the wall's gonna be. I'm gonna do an arch door coming in, and then we are keeping everything the same here, painting, beams to be painted or not painted, not sure. Now going upstairs, where all the magic is gonna happen. These are, like I said, this is the only access, which is exterior. Definitely keeping this opening though, because this will be our bedroom, and look at this view. Yeah, so keeping this access, maybe future balcony, not sure, but okay. Going inside, this is, like I was saying, all unlivable. We have here one big huge space, and that's going to be the parental, and where you kind of see this wall going to about that wall is going to be the bathroom upstairs. The stairs, where this window is, the stairs should actually line up underneath here. So when you come back from downstairs coming up, boop, you're inside. Finally. All the walls are going to be gone. So nothing but new walls and new design. So hope you enjoyed. And there you have it, guys. That is the remainder of the before videos. Why am I doing this? I don't know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Click like if you liked the video. Click subscribe if you'd like to stay with us, because next is shopping for materials. My favorite part. Yes, so until then, have a fabulous week. Sending love and light to you all. And as we say in French, bisous, bisous, which means kisses. Cheers.